In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blur gradient backgrounds in Webflow. Start by opening your project in Webflow so you can work directly on the page where you want this effect to appear. This kind of blurred gradient background is a great way to add depth, color, and a more modern visual style to your design without making the layout feel too busy. Once your project is open, go to the Add Elements panel. From there, drag and drop a container onto your canvas. This container will hold the gradient background effect, so place it in the section where you want that soft, colorful glow to appear. After adding it, adjust the height of the container so it fits the space you need. You can make it taller for a more dramatic background presence, or keep it shorter if you only want a subtle accent behind part of your content. Next, move over to the Style panel on the right side. This is where you'll control the visual appearance of the container. Scroll down until you find the Background section. Click the plus icon to add a new background and then choose Gradient. As soon as you do that, Webflow will apply a gradient fill to the container. Now it's time to customize the look. Add vibrant colors to your gradient stops to create the style you want. Brighter colors usually make the blur effect stand out more, while softer tones can create a cleaner and more minimal background. Take a moment here to experiment with color combinations that match the rest of your page design, because the gradient itself is the foundation of the final effect. After that, scroll further down in the Style panel until you reach the Effects section. Under Filters, click the plus icon and choose Blur from the drop-down menu. Then slowly increase the blur radius using the slider. It's a good idea to raise it gradually so you can see how the colors begin to soften and blend together. The goal here is to smooth out the gradient so it feels more atmospheric and less sharp. To finish the effect, reduce the opacity to around 70 to 80%. This helps the blurred gradient blend more elegantly into the background instead of overpowering the rest of your design. Lower opacity usually creates a softer, more polished result, especially if you are placing text or other elements nearby. And that's it. Thanks for watching.